Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to hide owner in Google Drive. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to locate the file you want to share. Now select the file by clicking on it once. This should highlight the file, and you'll see various icons appear at the top of the page. Among these icons, look for the one that resembles a person with a plus sign next to it. That's the share icon. Give it a click. A window will pop up displaying the sharing settings for your selected file. Right now, it might be set to a restricted access mode. You'll want to click on the section labeled Restricted. This will reveal an option to share with anyone who has the link to your file. Click on the option labeled Anyone with the link. This setting ensures your file is accessible to anyone who receives the link, but we're going to adjust it so they don't see owner information. Next, click on the Copy Link button. This action copies the shareable URL of your file to your clipboard. At this stage, open a new browser tab and paste the copied link into the address bar. However, before you hit Enter, take a look at the URL. You'll notice that the word Edit appears towards the end. Carefully remove Edit from the link and replace it with Copy. This action alters the link so that when someone clicks on it, they'll be prompted to make their own copy of the file rather than simply viewing or editing the original. Now, after you've made this change, go ahead and hit Enter. This will take you to a page with an option that says Make a Copy. When someone clicks on this edited link, they can save a copy in their own Google Drive, and your ownership details won't be displayed. And that's it. So that is how you can hide owner in Google Drive. So that's all for this video. Thanks.